minorities. He cared about those who were persecuted. Ikra Khalid only cares about herself and her own community. And she has made it clear by not mentioning Asia that she does not accept minorities as part of her community. She talks about Islamophobia. She talks about religious discrimination. She talks about racism. But when Christians are called dark and ugly, and they're called dishwashers and cleaners, and these are things I learned in Canada, not in Pakistan, there is a problem. She needs to accept that prejudice comes out of her community as well. She needs to accept that her community holds racist views, not just white Canadians. She needs to accept that her community, is also capable of religious discrimination.
You want to say something?
Ikra Khalid needs to give Asia Bibi asylum. Hi. We call upon Ikra Khalid to ask and request and make it known that she condemns religious violence against minorities. We want to ask her, what happened in her hometown of Okara, where a church in construction was burned to the ground? Why doesn't she bring that up when she blames Canadians and calls us Islamophobic? Is Asia Bibi Islamophobic? She has all the justification in the world to be afraid of Islam. She was beaten, she was accused of things. She spent 9 years away from her family. When a female commando, went into her cell and gave her the news that she would be set free, she was reading the Bible. Because there's freedom in Christianity, there's freedom in our religion. We ask Ikra Khalid, we ask her to recognize the persecution of Christians in Pakistan. We ask her to not just care about what happens to Muslims in Canada. All her events that she attends are Islamic. Any picture you see of her, she's promoting Islam. She's promoting Muslims. She's not with the Christian community, with us, addressing issues that we face. What about the sexual harassment I received because I was Christian from all the Muslim boys in my university? Why do I have to hear that I'm too light-skinned to be Christian here in Toronto? My cousin is also very light-skinned and she's very pretty. And she has Pakistani names, not English or Canadian names. When she was in York University, she was invigilating an exam. And this Pakistani Muslim boy came up to her and asked her, "Are you Pakistani?" And she goes, "Yeah." And he goes, "Yeah, I can tell you are." And she's like, "Oh." And he's like, "That guy's also from Pakistan, but he's not like us. He's Christian." And she's like, "Oh, there's Christians in Pakistan?" He's like, "Yeah, there's Christians in Pakistan, but they're not like us. They're dark and they're dishwashers." And he just went on belittling them and condemning them and saying that they're cleaner and that they're not like us. Then she walked away from him and said, "Thanks for the talk. By the way, I'm Christian." This prejudice exists in their community. When I was 9 years old, a girl didn't want to be my friend because I was Christian. And it happens because we Christians, we do not speak out. We do not share our testimonies, our experiences with Islam and with Muslims. If we told people how they treat us back home, but also how they treat us here in Canada, people would listen. We need to share our stories. And when I was working, I worked in the doctor's office when I was 18. There was a Pakistani Muslim girl working with me. And she said Pakistani Christian girls are stinky. And I was like, okay. I didn't want to make it a big deal because I just wanted to work. I didn't want to create a fuss. But imagine if someone said that to her, the human rights violations, she would have gone straight to some sort of a lawyer and sued them for a human rights violation, that it was Islamophobia in the workforce. And yet she was doing that to me, and nothing happened. They got away with it. So, I mean, I can ask all of you today, what are your personal experiences with Islam? And you will tell us. You'll have stories. Everyone has a story. Any minority from Pakistan, from Egypt, any part of the world has something to say. With the exception of North Korea, the top five most dangerous countries in the world for Christians and anyone else are all Islamic. But the safest parts of the world for Muslims are those countries that are founded on Christian beliefs. Obviously something is wrong. Iqra Khalid cannot get away with what she's doing and painting herself and her community as victims. They were the majority privileged religion where they came from, and they continue to oppress others here. Can you believe that Canada, that the Liberal government has not even uttered a word about Asia Bibi and her case? There has been no mention about Asia from Iqra Khalid. She did not even say, good to hear the news that Asia set free. Why? Because that would go against the entire narrative that she's trying to paint. That she's a victim, that Muslims are victims, that Pakistanis are victims. No. When we came to Canada, we came to be Canadian. We didn't come here to be Pakistani, because Pakistan was a country where we're not allowed to vote, where we have no rights, we have no protection under the law, and we have no voice. One of my friend's father, a Pakistani Christian man, ran for MP in Hamilton, a member of parliament for the Conservative Party. He went to a mosque, and he was welcomed in, and then they started to yell at him and say, how can you be working for someone like Stephen Harper? If you were in Pakistan, you would have no voice. You're lucky you're here in Canada. We would not give you a voice where you were. And they said that. This is happening here in Canada. And yet, we're supposed to be the privileged people. The Christians are supposed to be privileged. Yet Muslims can get away with saying stuff like that. We need Iqra Khalid to speak out for Asia Bibi. We demand that she does. We want to point out her utter hypocrisy. We want to point out Iqra's utter hypocrisy. Do not call Canadians racist. Do not call them Islamophobic. When you will not speak out against religious discrimination when it's not done to your own people.
Here, here.
We need Iqra Khalid to speak out and condemn the blasphemy law. In Canada, we have the freedom of speech. We can say whatever we want about any religion, as long as we're not spreading hatred and violence. If I don't want to believe in Islam, and I say that I don't want to believe in the Quran. I don't want to believe that. I would be killed instantly. That's grounds for my murder in Pakistan. I just said it. But I can say it here in Canada. I want to be Christian. I want to be free. People go to churches and they have to have armed guards for protection in Pakistan. Here in Canada, we don't need that. And we condemn any type of violence because this is Canada. We're all supposed to be the same. We all have the same freedoms. And no religious group is put above others, yet we have Islamic priorities. We want Canada to be Canada. We want to speak English. We want to be Canadian. We want Canadian values. And we don't want to see them deteriorate and to vanish. We want our MPs to represent us properly. And she brings up the topic of religion than to speak of it truthfully. Include all the religious discrimination that goes on, not just the religious discrimination that concerns her and her own faith. Otherwise, don't mention religion. Don't talk about religion if you're not going to speak about the persecution of minorities in your own country. I wasn't born in Pakistan. I was born in Canada. She grew up in Pakistan. And yet, I'm speaking out against atrocities that happen there, and she's not. We ask that Iqbal Khalid and the Liberal government condemn the blasphemy law. They accuse the conservative MPs of being racist, of being Islamophobic, but the conservative MPs were the ones that spoke out for Asia Bibi and asked the Liberal government to bring her here. Iqbal Khalid did it. It was Michelle Remco and Garnet Genuine, but not Iqbal Khalid. She did not speak out for Asia Bibi. She didn't even mention her. She never even says her name.
It goes against M103, that's why.
It goes against her whole narrative. She wants to paint Canadians as racist. Even Justin Trudeau, he said that he called Canadians that were against illegal border crossers racist. And then I saw white Canadians rising up and asking for Asia Bibi to come to Canada and be welcome. That goes against everything that they say. It's not racist if they say we are concerned about people crossing into our country. We want to know who they are and if they're legitimately refugees.